If you need better access to your cab area and want a heavy duty look in the meantime, these 4-inch Drop Sniper running boards in texture black will be a great option for your 2015 or newer Super Crew F-150. Now these will be great for the F-150 owner who wants an extra boost up into their truck, especially if they've added a lift or need that extra drop of the side step compared to the average running board. Now these will also add a decent amount of protection to the pinch weld area if you're looking for more coverage for off-road kick-up or just everyday life. Now I would like to mention that these steps do hang down a bit from the body of the F-150, so these are going to be great for lighter off-roading and fire trails if you are hitting the dirt with your truck, so I would just keep that in mind. Taking a look at how these side steps are set up, this will include a large pentagonal bar up at the top that tucks very closely to that pinch weld area. It's going to give the side of the truck a very clean and seamless look, but also a lot of protection. These are also going to offer a wide stepping surface with a 4-inch drop for accessibility without getting in the way, again, of those lighter off-road driving situations. This will also have a nice die-stamped non-skid plate to help out with a little bit of extra traction when getting in and out, making it that much easier to hop up into the truck while also assisting in more of that off-road look. Now these will offer a heavy-duty steel construction and will have the ability to hold up to 500 pounds, offering some peace of mind that these will be solid enough to support you and solid enough to provide some good protection. These are also going to have the TAC-E coating, offering a tough look and protection to the steel underneath from any rusting or corrosion, keeping them looking new over time. Now, the kit will also come with all the brackets and hardware necessary for a straightforward install with no modifications or drilling required. Overall, these are going to have a premium build, and they are going to be relatively affordable at the same time at roughly $300 for the set. Now, comparing these to others in the category, I really like this choice because it's going to give you a ton of coverage while also offering you a drop step, giving you the balance between protection and accessibility. I think if you're looking for a side step that has a high quality build and is right in the middle when it comes to both of those protective and accessible aspects, then this is going to be a great option for you. Install is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 2 hours, about an hour on either side to get the job done with the right hand tools. Now, at this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how to get these onto your F-150 at home. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 13mm socket. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a set of side steps on our F-150, so let's get started. Now before we hop under the truck and install our brackets, I'll show you how this goes. We have our support plate with the 2 holes. This lip is going to go up, and then that's going to slide through our main bracket, and we'll bolt everything down to the pre-existing studs. We have 3 sets of those studs underneath the truck. All of these are going to be installed the same way, so we'll get under there and install them.
So now we're on our very front set of studs. First thing we're going to do is take our support bracket, and then we'll get a washer and a locking nut on our 2 studs. And then before we tighten those down, we'll grab our next main bracket. And once again, put a washer and our locking nut onto each of our studs. And then we'll straighten up our bracket and take a 13mm socket to tighten down these nuts. And then we can repeat that same process for our other 2 brackets and the brackets on the other side.
So now with all of our brackets installed, we're ready to lift our side step up and onto our brackets. Now these are stamped with L and R, L being the driver's side and R being the passenger side. So we'll lift these up. We have 2 combo bolts per bracket that will thread in and then tighten everything down with a 13mm socket. Now we can grab our 2 combo bolts and thread those into the rib nuts in our side step. And then we'll take our 13mm socket and tighten these down. Now we can take our 13mm socket and tighten these down. And then we'll do that same thing for the other 2 brackets and for the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the 4-inch Drop Sniper running boards in textured black for your 2015 and newer F-150 Super Crew. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.